Shalom, welcome to the Shofar Man's website. The shofar that I want to demonstrate for you is a 45 to 46 inch. We call it the natural trumpet player's shofar. The mouthpiece end has been carved to about the size of a trumpet mouthpiece, giving you a lot of room, making it very easy to put the lips in. It has a wonderful sound quality. I hope you enjoy it. If you're like many people that have struggled trying to sound Yemenite shofars that have too small of a mouthpiece, this trumpet-shaped mouthpiece could be just the thing to help you to sound your shofar better. If you'd like more information on this shofar, please give us a call at 219-787-9944. I would be glad to walk you through the process of acquiring your shofar. Thank you.